Bye!
Feel the ocean, just me and you. Sandy beaches, waves so high. Summer love, let's touch the sky.
Hello guys! So finally, ito na nga ang aming El Nido tour. So ayan na nga ang aming pamilya. Pasakay na ng aeroplano si Bulinggit na lagi namang excited talaga siya kapag aalis talaga kami. So ayan na siya. Nangungulit na naman siya sa aeroplano as always. At sanayan na lang talaga yung may ganyang Bulinggit sa tabi mo. So, ayan, ito nga pala ang aming nakuwang hotel for only 1,100 pesos. Meron na yan 2 rooms. And, sinundo na kami yan sa airport.
Whoa! First night in Palawan. We're in Puerto Princesa on a budget hotel. We got this for 1,100. 2 rooms. And the good side is they pick us up in the airport for free. It also comes with free breakfast for 2. And it has its separate lavatory, comfort room, and a huge shower. So that's our first day here in Puerto Princesa.
Now, and tomorrow, pupunta kami sa Malay because we're going to swim. Okay. Bye guys! See you tomorrow! Guys, just wait. See you tomorrow. Don't play that. Don't play that outside. Bye guys! Bye.
Bye! You will eat in Kinabuks. Kinabuks? Kinabuch. Kinabuch Grill and Bar.
Wow. So pretty! So, ayun na nga, dito na kami sa labas para i-explore man lang namin syempre ang Puerto Princesa kahit sa isang gabi man lang, diba? So, na-search namin itong kainan na ito. Ang pangalan niya ay Kinabuch. And ito rin ang nire-recommend ng mga tricycle driver para sa masarap na pagkain. And so far guys, while we are checking yung kanilang price list, hindi siya sobrang kamahalan. And then, nung mga dumating sa amin yung mga pagkain, ay masarap siya. Hindi nyo na siya, hindi na kayo magsisisi na ito nga yung pinili nyo kahit yung baby ko nagustuhan yung food nila. So, ayan, nag-order kami ng pansit. Of course, meron kaming dambuhalang rice. And then, no, it's not pansit actually. It's laing. Nakalimutan ko na. So, order kami ng laing. And then, we have sisig. Of course, some juice. Ice na lang. Hindi kami pwede mag-drink. Andito kami ngayon guys sa city area ng Palawan kasi sakto meron pala silang event. So ayan, napag-isipan namin na dumaan kami and then check it out kung anong meron. Siyempre, matutuwa naman dito si Kali at ang nakita namin ay napakaraming toys. Oh my God! Ayan na nga, oh, diba? Ito na nga yung happy place ni Kali. Siyempre, ayan. Ayan na siya. Nagtitingin-tingin na siya ng mga toys and magpapabili na yan ng anek. At napakamahal po ng toys dito. And since laking Divisoria tayo, ay, cancel. Ay, oh, ayan, oh, diba? Meron pang pa-concert si Mayor. Hindi biro yung dami ng mga umiinom dito, guys. Sobrang dami nila.
Dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. Summer days can't be beat.
Good morning, Kali. Oh, how's your sleep? Huh? Did you have a good sleep, Kali? What did you dream of? Wala. Morning! We're going to the beach!
Let's go!
Hala! Naka-ready na! Naka-rubber shoes na!
Good morning, guys! So right now, we are going to El Nido. So nakasakay na kami ngayon sa aming rent na van for I think 600 pesos each for 6 hours of drive papuntang El Nido. Let's go!
A few moments later.
After ilang oras nga at maraming tulog, andito na kami sa El Nido. Shit, napakaganda. And ginawa kami ni Kuya para sumakay ng tricycle. At ayan na nga. Ang tricycle na yan ay 200 pesos at napakalapit na lang. And ito yung kwarto namin. Okay, so nag-rent kami ng motor for 500 pesos because we want to go sa mga beaches na hindi naman kasama ng tour namin tomorrow. So, samahan niyo kami. Let's go!
Party swaying, breeze so light. Party all day, dance all night. Feel the sunshine, feel the glow. Summer vibes, just let it flow. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet.
Hi, baby!
Sun and sand, so sweet. Summer days can't be beat.
Nakpan Beach on our first day.
Palm tree swaying, breeze so light. Party all day, dance all night. Feel the sunshine, feel the glow. Summer vibes, just let it flow. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet.
Okay guys, so actually, wala na kami sa Nakpan Beach. Nandito na kami sa Lilo Beach. Leo, something like that. And nadaanan lang namin siya. So, dito mo makikita yung plane na lilipad mismo above you because napakalapit nandito ng airport. And guys, again, sobrang ganda. As in. Okay, so nakapag-bihis na nga kami. Siyempre, OOTD na naman ang mag-ina. And right now, mag-iikot-ikot muna kami dito. Magtitingin-tingin kahit wala naman kaming pambili. Siyempre, tingin-tingin lamang. And titingin-tingin tayo. Okay, paulit-ulit na ako sa titingin-tingin. Pero titingin talaga tayo ng kung ano ka na. Let's see.
Party swaying, breeze so light. Party all day, dance all night. Feel the sunshine, feel the glow. Summer vibes, just
Ano? Ba't ang taba mo?
Sabi ko, tabang ako. Sabi ko, parang ikaw ang tabang.
Aba?
rhythm, move your feet.
Kali!
Sun and
Ano binibili mo?
Ice cream!
What kind?
sands can't be.
Whoa!
Ito, kuya. I cannot wait.
You couldn't wait for the ice cream? Ang ganda mo dyan, nak. Smile. Smile ka nga.
Ay, mas may ako! That's my annoying. Eh, that's my marshmallow! The marshmallow! The marshmallow! The marshmallow!
Hawakan mo na yan. Oh. Dito ka na. How was it? Huh? What does it taste like? Marshmallow.
The stickies!
Oh, you put it in your ice cream na.
Touch it!
Oh! Let's go! Halika na na! Let's go!
video. So ito ay ibang araw na naman at start na ng aming tour A. Yes. And kami lang ng Pinoy dito sa Bangkang Itsu.
Hindi. Matapang mo. Galing doon mo. Look! Sige na. Punta na doon na. Sasakay na tayo ng boat natin. That's our boat. Oh. That's our boat. Going big lagoon.
Okay, so after ilang minutes, nandito na po kami. Papunta kami sa lagoon kung saan kailangan namin mag-kayaking. Alright, let's see the place. Let's go.
Go!
Ate, saan po tayo punta, ate?
Doon tayo sa Divisoria.
Ate. Ganda ng picture ni Kyle. Nak, smile ka kay mami, oh.
So, dito nga sa Big Lagoon, matatagpuan yung cave na kailangan natin pasukin while we are on a kayak. So, let's see and enjoy it.
Just me and you. Sandy beaches, waves so high. Summer love, let's touch the sky. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand, so sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Palm trees swaying, breeze so light. Party all day, dance all night. Feel the sunshine, feel the glow. Summer vibes, just let it go. Dance, dance in the summer. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand, so sweet. Summer days can't be beat.
Wow, this is the cave, anak. Oh, it's nice. There's a lot of people inside. Even the other ate. Inside the cave, no way allowed. Hindi, baby, bata lang.
Pwede lang ako mag-hide.
Wala ka man na lang yung camera. Hold tight, okay? And then take a picture.
This is cool!
Yeah.
Now we're going out.
Hold the camera, baka mahulog. Hold the camera.
It's so fun in the Bobby.
Gutom ka na iwan.
Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm.
Mami, wala tayong narinig ng monkey.
Sun and
Mami, wala tayong narinig ng
Saan
monkey.
tagaan ni Monkey sa bagay?
What? What's the bagay?
So brave! That's my Cali girl!
Papakita ko ng
Subo ka, Daddy. Subo. Subo muna.
sun is shining, sky so blue. Sandy beaches, waves so high.
Hindi ka mamuntok. Hi! Ay, ingat mama, may bato yun. Aray! Lumamoy ba ako sa bato? Wala yung floater mo, sir. May bato pa yun dyan, sir.
Sun and sand, so
Yes, I'm proud of you as well.
Guys, tingnan mo.
Wow, so brave, my baby girl.
day dance all night. Feel the sunshine, feel the glow. Summer vibes, just let it flow.
Correct.
Dance in the
Para maturuan mo sila. Pag nakita ka nila Adam and Miss swimming like this, they're gonna get brave because of you.
days can't
Hindi na kaya.
music take control.
Ganun.
Feel the magic in your soul. Summertime, we're feeling free. Dance with me by the sea. Hey, dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. Summer days can't be beat.
Okay, so tapos na nga po ang aming El Nido Tour A at pabalik na kami sa aming hotel. Okay, so ang plano talaga ay kakain kami dito sa Town Square. Mag-aanap kami ng medyo masarap naman na kainan para makabawi-bawi naman. Pero, ayan na nga, tignan nyo naman. Saan nga ba kami napadpad, ano? Dagadang. Ang tatali, wait lang. So, ayun. Ang nakita namin ay barbecuehan. And ayan siya. Bagsak na siya, guys. Pagod na ang babaeng Itsu. Good morning guys! So ito na ang aming last tour, ang Tour C. And then kumain muna kami before kami kunin ni Bangkuyang Bangkero. So ito, ang ganda ng kainan. Medyo pricey, pero nasa tapat siya ng dagat. So given naman talaga. So ayan na, papunta na kami sa nagsundo sa amin. Sinundo nila kami mula sa kainan. And then dinala kami dito sa kanila. So dito sa tour, and then,
sun is shining, sky so blue. Feel the ocean, just me and you. Sandy beaches, waves so high. Summer love, let's talk.
Di mo yan naapakanak, di mo yan abot.
And it's so sweet. The summer days can't be beat. Parties swaying, rain so light.
Ito mga pa-vlog ko, mag-vlog ko yan na. Hawakan mo yung camera.
Feel the sunshine.
Itali mo sa
Day 2. Hi, Kali! Oh! Wow! Ang galing naman! Sweet naman sa malalim! Ang galing mo, guys, oh! Mag-hi ka sa mga ano mo, nak, guys! Hi, guys!
Friends!
Hi, friends!
Nandito ako sa malalim. Joke lang, nandito ako sa mababaw.
Mababo ba yan? It's deep nga eh.
Hindi ko nariraw.
Ako nyari lang.
Guys,
Abot mo yan?
Apo.
Sun and sand, it's so sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Sun is shining, sky so blue. Feel the ocean, just me and you. Sandy beaches, waves so high. Summer love, let's touch the sky. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand, it's so sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Palm trees swaying, breeze so light. Party all day, dance all night. Feel the sunshine, feel the glow. Summer vibes, just let it flow. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand, it's so sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Swaying, breeze so light. Party all day, dance all night. Feel the sunshine, feel the glow. Summer vibes, just let it flow. Feel the magic in your
We're going inside.
summertime.
Crazy. Look, guys.
Dance with me by the sea. Hey, dance
Pagka nagkaroon ng high tide.
summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand, it's so sweet. Summer days.
And then float, float.
Wow! May duck, oh. Tumaliw na mga
Dance, dance in the summer. can't be beat.
Sa pag-swimming sa aming tour. So, ito kami ngayon. Nag-swimming muna kami sa beach na malapit lamang sa amin. Bocaton lang. Malapit sa Town Square. And, ayan, sinusulit niya para sa aming last day dito sa El Nido.
Dance in the summer, feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. The summer days can't be beat.
At ayan na nga ang katapusan ng aming tour sa El Nido. And super worth it. Kailangan talaga natin umalis paminsan-minsan as a family and, you know, magliwaliw para naman ma-enjoy natin yung mga paghihirap natin sa araw-araw. Ito na nga po ang inyong Wow Charo Santos. Goodbye!